Have you ever struggled with opening a door? It's a more common issue than you might think, and today we're going to help you master the art of door opening. The first step is to ascertain whether the door requires a key. Look for a keyhole. If you find one, the door indeed needs a key. If there is no keyhole, it's a push or pull door, and you can skip the key-related steps. But let's assume there is a keyhole and the door really is closed. The second step is using the key. Now, this might seem straightforward, but remember, each key is unique. Ensure you have the right key that matches the door. The key should slide in effortlessly and rotate without any force. What if you don't have the key? This brings us to step 3. Ask a friend or family member if they could help. They may have a spare key or know where to find one. Remember, communication often solves the biggest of problems. If you still can't open the door, step 4 is to double-check that you're trying to open the right door. We've all been there, haven't we? Attempting to open a door that isn't ours to open. So take a moment, look around, ensure you're at the right place. Once you've gone through these checkpoints, it's time for the main event, opening the door. Step 5 is where you use the key and the door handle in tandem to open the door. Insert the key, turn it gently until you hear a click, then grasp the handle, turning and pushing or pulling as the door requires. Now you've successfully opened the door, but what about when you want to close it? Well, you're in luck because the instructions are near identical. Use the handle to close the door, and if necessary, the key to lock it. Remember, securing closed doors is just as important as opening them.